Hello, this is Matthew Brown for Project Android. This is my ADT bundle that I downloaded for the Eclipse Android platform. Here's the SDK. Of course, you have to download a bunch of the new APIs and everything else to get that to run smoothly. Here is just the Eclipse, and that works with the SDK to run the more Android portion of Eclipse. So you just click on there and it opens up Eclipse, which I have open right here. You can see that I've opened up my AVD, which apparently is still going at this point. Yep, so this is just the applications part of it. And then moving on to the target API, you can find in the manifest right here. I used target 15 API. You set that at the beginning of the project when you create a new project. Just go here, AndroidNet. You just do it right here. It's very simple. We don't want to do the Android KitKat where always keep it before the cutting edge of the technology as it was stated. This is the Android calculator that I created. You just click on that. Again, you can just put in, let's say, 5. And it responds to the keyboard, which is nice. So then you don't have to bring up or type it on the virtual pad. Then you can just press the appropriate sign that you want to put in between there and be. Let's just do multiplication. It's 30, obviously. If you do plus, it's 11, minus, -1, and hence and so forth. This is the XML that basically makes up the graphics portion of the screen. It's responsible for pretty much everything you see. Yeah. The code that runs the program is pretty simplistic. You have your imports, obviously, that are with every Android project. The buttons variables are right here, and then to actually get the buttons to work, you need to create the on-click listeners, and what that does is just once it clicks, then it runs the program that is pretty much behind the code behind the button, which is this. So it runs these different operators right here. Pretty simplistic for a calculator. This is the R file that's created at the inception of the program, or the start of the program when you create it. So basically lays down a bunch of final classes, and these are unchangeable. So if you change them, it's going to mess your program up. It's nice to look at, just don't change it. If you take any of these final classes out of here, it's gonna just screw up the entire program. Like if you take the button out of there, it's gonna not know what a button is. It'd be like if you took the memory path of a spoon out of your own brain, you're not going to know what a spoon is, and you wouldn't know how to even look at it, or you wouldn't know how to use it to consume food. It's simplistic in nature, but it's there for a reason. Anyway, I want to thank you for watching, and have a great day.